Hello, students. Welcome to the computer class. Hope you all are fine and staying at your home. Let's start with the computer class. Today, we will learn lesson number 4 Input and Output Devices. In previous lecture, we will learn about input devices. There are different types of input devices. They are keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, microphone, webcam, light pen, barcode reader, touch screen, track or trackball. Today we will learn about output devices. Output devices. Devices that take and receive information out of the computer are called output devices. Output devices generate information in different forms such as text, sound, video, and image. The output from the computer may be in the form of printouts from the printer, sounds on the speaker, images on the monitor, etc. There are different types of output devices. Let's learn about these in detail. Monitor. A monitor displays all the output. A monitor is the main and most common computer output device. It displays text, graphics, and videos on a screen. It is also called a visual display unit or VDU. It displays video like a television. There are CRT, LED, and touchscreen monitors. We can directly touch and run the programs on the touchscreen monitors. Monitor is the main output device. The first computer monitors were comprised of a CRT, cathode ray tube, and a fluorescent screen. Next output device is speaker. Speaker is a very popular output device. It produces output as sounds. It allows us to listen to music and any other audio. Using speakers, we listen to the music and sound stored on a computer. Usually, speakers come in pair. A computer speaker is an output hardware device that connects to a computer to generate sound. The signal used to produce the sound that comes from a computer speaker is created by the computer sound card. Next output device is printer. The printer is another output device. It produces output on paper. It can print a document or an image. A printer prints our work done on a computer. It can print text, images, and graphs, etc. It can print in color as well as black and white. Three commonly used printers are: first, dot matrix printer; second, inkjet printer; third, laser printer. A printer is an external hardware output device that takes the electronic data stored on a computer or other device and generates a hard copy of it. Next output device is projector. It is an output device that takes the display of a computer screen and projects a large version of it onto a flat surface. Projectors are often used in meetings and presentations so that everyone in the room can view the content. A projector is an output device that can take images generated by a computer or Blu-ray player and reproduce them by projection onto a screen, wall, or another surface. Projectors can produce either slides or videos. Next output device is headphone and earphone. A headphone and earphone help us to listen to the music and songs on a computer without disturbing others. Next output device is plotter. Plotter are used to print card and complex design. A plotter is a much like a printer that is used for printing vector graphics. Instead of toner, plotters use a pen, pencil, marker, or another writing tool to draw multiple continuous lines onto a paper rather than a series of dots like a traditional printers. Do you know a printed copy of information from a computer is called a hard copy? The same information viewed on a computer display is referred to as a soft copy. Do you know the CPU is neither an input nor an output device? It only processes the information given by the input devices and sends the result to the output devices. Now we will learn hard words of this lesson. Plotter. Plotter. It is a device much like a printer that is used for printing. It can work on very large sheets of paper. Next word is projector. Projector. A device with a system of lenses for projecting slides or film onto a screen or flat surface. Next word is trackball. Trackball. An electronic device consisting of a rotatable ball. Now we will take a recall of this lesson. In this lesson, we learned about input devices. Devices that help us put data or actions into a computer are called input devices. They help in giving instructions to the computer. There are different types of input devices: keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, microphone, webcam, light pen, barcode reader, touchscreen, and trackball. Output devices. Devices that takes and receive information out of the computer are called output devices. The output from the computer may be in the form of printouts from the printer, sounds on the speaker, images on the monitor, etc. There are different types of output devices: monitor, speaker, printer, projector, headphone, earphone, and plotter. Hope you all are enjoying this video. Thank you.